Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajwani. I am your computer teacher. We started our lesson number 7. What is the name of lesson? Yes, good. Introduction to presentation. Firstly, we will see what we discussed in last period. We will see here. What we discussed in last period? How to create a presentation. Means how to take a slide. Presentation means collection of slides. There are different slides, different number of slides. We can add 2 slides, we can add 3 slides. How many slides we require, we can take this slide. Right? And how to take the slide? Firstly click on the office button, then click on new and then select the blank presentation and click on the create. Then we will get the one slide and there are 2 slides. There are 2 options we can see in that. First is for the text, means title text, and second is for the subtitle. Next, how to add a slide, how to add different slide, how to add a new slide. There are the different tabs are there. First one is a home tab. Then for adding the slide, click on the home tab, then select then click on the new slide. Then we can see different slides. Which slide we want, we can take this slide. We can add text also and we can add picture also. If this picture is not in our CPU or not in our computer, then how we can take from internet? Yes, by using the clip art. By using clip art, directly we can take the picture from the internet. Next is how to design the slide. That we can say apply the theme. How to apply the theme? What is the use of theme? By using theme, we can set a color, font and special effect to the slide. Where it is? It is in a design tab. How to take the design tab? Firstly click on the design tab. How to apply this design? Firstly click on the design tab, then scroll. We can see different themes of the slide and then select which design you want. That presentation we created in last period, right? You can see here, this is different slide, this is different slide, this is different and this is different. We can apply same effect to all slides. How we can apply the same effect? First click on the design tab and then select which you want and then apply the. Then you can see the same effect to all slides. Okay. Suppose if you don't want if you want this effect to only this slide, these 2 slides, then how to do this? Firstly select it, then press the control button, then select the second slide where you want to give this result and continuously press the control button and then give the effect. You can see this effect is for only 2 slides. Why? Because what we do? We was press the control button. Where we want to give this effect, we press this, select this slide and then afterward select which you want. Clear everyone? Now next one is adding the background. How to add the background? If we are writing and if you want to add the background, then how to take this background? Step to add a background. Firstly click on the design tab, then click on the background style option. A list of options will be appear. Select the option which you want or click on front background. A file window appear. Explore various options and click on one of the option to see this effect of on the slide. We will see here practically. How to open? Click on the start button, all program, Microsoft Office, and then we will get the PowerPoint. We want to give only effect to the single slide, or we can say adding a background to a single slide. Then how to add this? Which tab we must have to click for adding the background? Design tab. Then select the background which you like. There are different themes are there. Which background you like, you can select this background. You can see here these two options are here only. Which are they? Click for title and for subtitle. For each and every effect, title and subtitle is there. You can see here title, subtitle. Why? Because this is our first slide. You can take first slide also blank slide. But if you take a blank slide, then where you can add the title? That's why you must take this slide. Then you can add title also and you can add subtitle also. Clear? How to add the background? Click on the design tab, then click on background style option. A list of options will appear. Select the option you want or click on format background. A file window appear. Then explore various options and click on one of the options to see its effect on the slide. We will do one more time. If I am in a home tab, then select the design tab and click here. Then you can see different themes, and how to select it? Only by using the mouse, only single click. Clear? Now we will see we will write here myself. About myself. Okay. We will add one more slide. How to add this slide? Home, then new slide, and then take blank slide. Okay. And if you want to write here, how to add? It is a blank slide. If I am pressing the keyboard, then it is writing? No. Why? Because if you want to write, we must have to take one text. How to take it? Click on the shape, then this first one, text box. Take the text box and then click here. Drag the mouse. Then we can write here. My name is, you can write your own name. I will write here XYZ. Then for going to next line, which key is useful? Good, enter key. Then I am in which standard? 4th standard. I am in 4th standard. I live in Solapur. I like computer. Okay. How to increase the size of this text? Firstly, select it. How to select it? Take the cursor before the first letter and then select it, and then you can see these options are there. If you want to increase the size, then you can select. Okay. If you want to change the font style, then how we can change the font style? Click here, then you can see different font styles are there. Which style you want, you can take here. How to give color? Select it. For each and everything, you must have to select. You must have to select. Then it is font color and select the color which you like. Okay. Then we can give effect also. Clear? How to write in a PowerPoint and how to give different effect to the font. Means what? How to increase the size of font, how to give font color, and how to change the font style. Now we will see how to save it. Suppose I write this much only and my period is finished. We are going in lab, right? My period is finished. And next slide also I want to add my picture. I want to add my picture, but my period is finished. And next time I want to do this remaining work. Then how we can do? We can save it, and when we come to the next time, then we can open it and we can do changes in that. Okay? For using the next time, we can save the file. Then how to save the file? We will see here. How to save the file. To save a presentation. Step to save a presentation. The step to save a presentation are similar to saving any other file on the Word document. It is same only like a Word document. Click on the Office button. Click on the Office button. Then click on Save As option. Click on Save As option. A Save As window appears. Save As window appears. Then select the location where you want to save the presentation in the Save In drop down box. When we click on the firstly where Office button, then you can see Save As option. In Office button there are different options are there, which save, new, then save as, print, open. These many options are there. Now what we want to do? We want to save our file. That's why which option we have to select? Save, or Save As also we can do. Then click on the Save As. Then when we click on the Save As, then this type of window will be appear on your screen, and you can see here we can select the path on which drive we want to save, desktop, C drive, E drive, where we want to save, select the path, and then what to do? Then give the name to the file. For example, 7 Wonders. In last period, 7 Wonders we done the file, right? And now which file we done here? Yes, myself. Then we can give any name to the file. We can give our roll number to the file, or we can give name also. 7 Wonders of the World in the file name text box. which name you want to give to the file, write this name in a file name box. Then what to do? Then click on save button. Click on save button. The file is saved on the desktop. Okay, this file will be saved on the desktop. Or if you select the path to the C drive, E drive or any another folder where we select the path, then this file will be saved in that folder or drive. We will see here how to save. Read from your book. Everyone read. First number step. Click on the office button. Then you can see save, save as, open, close, new, print, resend, save and send, help, options, exit. These many options are here. Then what you want now? We want to save it. We want to save it. By using save also we can save, or by using save as also we can save. Then we will save. We will select the save as option. Then you can see this window. You can see this window. Here you can see where you want to save this file. You can select the path. We will save this file on the desktop also, in the C drive, E drive, where you want to save, you can save this. We will save on desktop. Then how to select it? Directly here you can see the desktop option. Then click on the desktop. Then you can see on the desktop these many files are there. If on the desktop you have created your folder, then also you can select this folder and you can save your file in that folder also. If folder is not there, then no problem. Directly you can see this file on the desktop also. Then select the, what is the step? Select the path. Next one step is select the path. Where is your file you want to save? You want to save this file on the desktop. Then click on the desktop. And then you can see here file name, save as type. File name you can give myself. You can give your roll number also. You can give any number. You can give date also. Okay. You can give number also and letter also. And then save. You can see myself Microsoft PowerPoint. Title bar display the name of file, right? Then myself is our file name. Where you can see this? In the title bar, right? And this downside is what? What it is? From here to here, what it is? Good. Ribbon. Clear? How to save the file? Now, how to see this file? Where we save this file? On the desktop, right? You can see here, where is my cursor? You can see my cursor? See, our file is here, myself. See here. Okay? Now, next step is to run a presentation. How to run the presentation? How to run the presentation? You can run your slideshow using either the following step. How to run the file? Means you can see the slide size is small and you can see this upper side also. And if we run the file, then you can see only slide. You cannot see this title bar, ribbon, this slide, ruler. You cannot see this all. You can see only this slide in a big format. Firstly, we will see how to run the presentation. Press the F5 on the keyboard. Press the F5 on the keyboard. There are three ways to run the presentation. Which are they? Firstly, press the F5 directly on the keyboard. We will open here. We will open this file myself, and you know keyboard having different keys and keyboard having function key also, right? Then from F1 to F9 function keys are there. Then press the which key? F5. Now I am pressing the F5 on the keyboard. Then you can see the changes. F5. Then you can see this slide only in a large format, or you can see in a big format. Okay. Then if you want to see the next slide, then how to see? Keyboard also having arrow key. How many arrow keys are there? Yes, 4 arrow keys are there. Then which are they? Up, down, left, right. You want to take a next slide, then you can take it by using arrow key. Okay. By using down arrow key, you can take the new slide. Clear everyone? How to run a presentation? Now, next step to run a presentation. Click on the slideshow tab. Click on the slideshow tab. Then click the from beginning button in the start slideshow group. You will see here. Where is the slide option? Slideshow. And here you can see from the beginning and from the current slide. We will do from the beginning. Beginning means what? From the starting pages we can see our presentation from the beginning. Okay. And now if I press the from the current slide, then which slide will run? First number slide or second number slide? Yes, it will run from the second number slide. Why? Because you can see where we are now on the second number slide. That's why if we press on the from the current slide, then you can see which slide is your selected. From that slide you can see the presentation. Okay. Now third one option to run the presentation. Click the slideshow icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Where it is, we will see here. You can see these options are here. Then this is for this option was first, second, third, fourth. Fourth number option is for slideshow. Then select this. Here also you can see, you can run the presentation. Select this first number slide and then slideshow, and then you can see first number or second number also. Clear how to run the presentation? There are the three ways to run the presentation. First number is press the F5 button on the keyboard. Then second number is select the slideshow tab and select the from the beginning. And if you don't want from the beginning, then there is one more option. You can run your presentation from your selected slide also. And third one is select the slideshow icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now next one is the slideshow start with its first presentation, and you can go to the next slide by either clicking the mouse or clicking on the right arrow key of the cursor control key on the keyboard. By using right arrow key, you can take the next slide, and by using the mouse also, we can take our next slide. We will see here by using the mouse. We will run the presentation. Now I am not using the keyboard, I am using the mouse. Press the mouse left button one time only, then you can see your next slide. Okay. Now next one is to open an existing presentation. How to open the existing presentation? Now only I told, if we done our presentation in the last period and now we want to open the already exit file, then how to open it? You can see here which file now open. The 7 wonders of the world, this file is open, and now I want to open myself file. Then how to open this myself file? Click on the office button. Office button means here file. Then now which option we want? We want to open it. Then click on the open, where we save this file on the desktop. Then select the desktop, and what is our file name? Directly we can write the file name myself. Okay, and then open. This file is only our myself. Yes or no? Good. Now we will read how to open the existing file. Click on the office button, click on the open, and open window will be appear. Then select the folder in which the file has been saved from the look in drop down box. Then select the file to be opened. Click on open. We will do one more time. Now which file is our open? Myself file is open. Then we will open 7 wonders of the world. Then file, open, desktop. What is the file name? You can see downside name is appear. You can select it and open. You can see this our file. Now next one is to close the presentation. How to close the presentation? My work is finished and I want to close the presentation. How to close? Click on the office button and then click on a close button. Click on the office button and then click on the close. Office button is here. Click on the file button and then close. You can see this file is not here now. Now to exit a PowerPoint. How to exit from the PowerPoint? Click on the office button and click on the exit PowerPoint. There are two options from the exit the PowerPoint. Firstly, click on the office button and then click on the exit button. And one more option is click the close button at the top right corner of the window. You will see here. You can see this file option and then exit. Here also, by using this also, you can exit or directly you can see these are three buttons are there. Which are they? Minimize button, maximize button and close button. Then by using this cross button, means close button, directly we can close the file. Okay. Now what is the homework for you? Our chapter is finished. Now what is the homework for you? Read the lesson and underline the hard words. If you having the computer, then try to make a presentation on yourself. If you don't having computer, don't use too much mobile, but use little bit mobile and download the presentation app on your mobile. How to download? You know very well how to download the presentation and do the practice on the presentation. Okay, thank you.